In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what affiliate marketing is. I'm going to break it down in very basic terms so that you can stop searching the internet and actually start making money. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. What is affiliate marketing? What does it mean? It's a buzzword. People are talking about it, but it's still kind of confusing. So what I'm going to do, as I mentioned, I'm going to break this down for you so that it makes sense and we can get up and running with the next step, which is actually starting to make money. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the official term. Affiliate marketing is recommending other people's products. When a customer buys the product using your affiliate link, you get paid a commission. And so that's the standard structured definition that everybody goes after. But let's talk about it in more simplistic terms. There are 3 parties. There's the customer, so the person that has a problem. There's you, the affiliate marketer or content creator. And then there's the product owner. Each person is equally as important as the last because without one, these 3 kind of fall. So the customer has a problem. They are, let's say they're overweight, they want to lose weight, they want to look better, they want to get in better shape. When they have a problem, they go to the internet. You, the content creator, you're going to create content to solve the problem, and you're going to recommend a product, a solution that's going to help them even more. And the product owner can be anyone, anything that has a product that they want to sell, and they're going to use the affiliate marketer to get in front of the customer. So let's keep going here. So as I mentioned, a customer, everybody's a customer at one point. They have a problem. They go to the internet like everybody when they have a problem. Maybe they use Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or even Google search or even YouTube. You're here, you have a problem. You want to learn about affiliate marketing. And so a customer starts searching for stuff. They search for things like how to lose weight, how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, how to lose 10 pounds. What is affiliate marketing? How do I get started with affiliate marketing? These are all searches that customers make. And as the content creator, the affiliate marketer, we go where the customer is and create content to help solve that problem. For example, I would go to YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, and I'm going to create content to help solve that problem. I'm going to create a video that says 10 ways to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. If we go back one, you can see the person wants to know how to lose 10 pounds. I'm going to create a video that says 10 ways to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. I can also create a comparison video because when a customer is ready to buy, maybe they've narrowed down their searches to 2 or 3 different items. For example, the fat belly fix or the keto cleanse, we'll say. They're going to go back over to YouTube and they're going to say keto cleanse versus flat belly fix. That's what you can see here. Again, I'm going to create content to help that customer make a decision. Also, keto review, and then 5 best ways to lose weight. These are all queries that people are searching in. Now, you can substitute keto for cameras. For example, if you were just starting your YouTube channel, you would say best cameras under $100. And then maybe you want to compare a Canon versus a Sprint camera if they had one. And then you're going to look at camera reviews. So like the Canon D5 review. And then you're going to say, maybe you're going to ask questions like how to record yourself with a DSLR. These are all different queries that people are asking. And as the affiliate marketer, we are going to actually answer that question. We're going to help get that customer closer to solving their problem. And then as you can see, the product owner has the product and they want to sell it. And you might be asking yourself, why would a company like Amazon or Bluehost or Target actually work with affiliate marketers? Now, there's a number of reasons why. The #1 reason is simply customers don't trust big brands. Customers don't trust Amazon and Target and even Bluehost. And so when they turn to the internet, they're looking for people just like me and you, regular average Joes, who are more like friends. Think about it. You trust your friend's opinion more than you would trust Amazon because Amazon really just wants to sell a product. What you're going to do or what the customer does is the customer is looking for their online friend that can help point them in the right direction. Also, for a customer like Amazon, it's much cheaper for them to pay a 5% commission to thousands of affiliates than having a complete marketing firm that isn't really guaranteeing results. Think about it like this. When a major brand like Amazon or Target, they are actually getting more return on their investment because the affiliate marketers going out and doing all of the work and driving the traffic to them. If they hire a marketing department, maybe there's no guarantee that the marketing department is going to be effective. So there's a number of benefits for a product owner to use an affiliate marketer versus just hiring a marketing firm itself. But you'll see companies like Amazon, Target, Bluehost, ShareASale, they'll actually do both. And you can actually track your results and see that it's much more effective to have an affiliate marketer. So also the product owner or even the affiliate network, they're responsible for providing the affiliate links, having a dashboard where an affiliate marketer can check out their clicks and track their progress, and also, of course, the payout. So if we go over to the next thing, here's some examples of affiliate marketing in action. What we can do is we can jump over to YouTube and we can type in best X4Y, or we can type in best cameras under, we'll say $100, and we'll click on this first one. And what you'll see is you'll see affiliate links in the description of these videos. Now, it doesn't increase the price for the customers at all, but what it does do, it actually makes the buying process much easier. So if we click on this one, for example, I just need to mute this. If we click on this first one, you'll see there are a bunch of affiliate links. If they link out to Amazon, as you can see, these links are affiliate links. A customer clicks on the link, and if they buy, the person gets a commission. There are things that you need to consider, like commission payments and affiliate cookie windows, things like that, but that might be a little bit next level. That might be affiliate marketing 201. But here we just want to make sure that you understand the concept that when a content creator creates content to help solve a problem, they're going to put an affiliate link in the description, and it's actually going to make it much easier for the customer to get to that product, to get to that end result. All of these links here are affiliate links. You see they link out to Amazon. Customer buys, the content creator gets paid a commission. Now, I do want to briefly spend some time talking about why some people fail with affiliate marketing. If we jump back here, here are some reasons why affiliate marketing fails. People are very inconsistent. They create one piece of content, they expect money to fall out of the sky. Also, people are very impatient. We live in a world where we do one thing, we take an action, we expect to see an immediate result. In most cases with affiliate marketing, that's not going to happen. When you do something, there might be a delay. The delay could be a week, a month, a year, but successful affiliate marketers have patience and they're going to play the long game. Also, it's a challenge if people don't understand the product. If you don't understand the product, you can't solve the customer or can't serve the customer. People don't know the customer, understand the customer. That's another problem. One of the biggest problems with affiliate marketing and why affiliate marketing has a bad name is people are always spamming their links. In fact, I just got a notification on my Reddit account. Someone was spamming their affiliate link for another well-known affiliate marketer. Also, another reason why people fail is not doing email marketing. Also, keyword research. They're not willing to invest. You have to be willing to invest something into affiliate marketing because it is a real online business. Also, you have unrealistic expectations. People often go into affiliate marketing thinking they're going to make $1 million in 2 weeks, when in reality, it's more of a slow build over time. Can you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing? Yes. But will you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing in 3 weeks? Probably not. It does take some time to learn. Also, as I mentioned, unrealistic goals, and then not trying to solve problems. One of the biggest problems with people that just get started with affiliate marketing is they're not actually solving any problems. They're just putting their links out there and they're hoping that people are going to click on them and buy. Everybody kind of goes through that phase where they're excited about affiliate marketing or even making money online in general, and they don't actually take the time required to figure out how to solve the customer's problem. So hopefully this did a pretty good job of explaining exactly what affiliate marketing is. In the beginning, I talked about the 3 components, which is really the customer, the product owner, and the content creator, the affiliate marketer. And I spent some time explaining exactly how to get started and why people use affiliate marketing and why customers trust affiliates more than they trust actual brands. If this video did help you out, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.